82% of Jakarta company registrations fail in month 1 because DIY founders miss LKPM approval, and here's the exact fix. Here's the problem. Most founders think company registration is just paperwork. It's not. Step 1 takes 3 days. Get your LKPM name clearance before filing anything. Step 2 costs 6 million rupiah. File at the Ministry of Law and Human Rights. A Jakarta founder registers her tech startup without LKPM pre-approval. Within 5 days, the ministry rejects her application. She's lost 2 weeks and 8 million rupiah. That's exactly why TheBaliLawyer exists, to handle Jakarta registration end-to-end, so you skip the rejection cycle. Most people fail here. They file at the ministry before LKPM confirms the business name is available. LKPM approval takes 3 to 5 days. Skip this step and the ministry returns your paperwork rejected. Do not file without LKPM clearance first. That single mistake costs you 2 weeks and another 5 million rupiah in restamping fees. Get LKPM name clearance. Apply online at the LKPM portal using your founder ID and proposed business name. Cost is 200,000 rupiah. Processing takes 3 to 5 business days. Once approved, you'll receive a letter. Keep this letter. You need it for the ministry filing. This is important. File your company documents at the Ministry of Law and Human Rights. You'll need the LKPM letter, founder identity cards, company deed from a notary, and proof of office address. Filing costs 6 million rupiah total. Processing takes 7 to 10 business days. The ministry emails your company registration certificate. Here's the problem. DIY registration takes 3 to 4 weeks because you're learning LKPM rules, notary fees, and ministry portals as you go. TheBaliLawyer handles all 3 in 14 days flat. They coordinate LKPM approval, arrange the notary deed, and file the ministry paperwork. One process, one timeline, 0 rejections. When LKPM asks for rencana kerja, business plan, they want a one-page outline of what your company does, who your target market is, and what you'll earn in year 1. Write this in Indonesian. It doesn't need to be detailed, just realistic. Include estimated revenue of at least 500 million rupiah in year 1. If you're unsure of Indonesian phrasing, TheBaliLawyer has templates. LKPM Business Name Search Portal. ahu.go.id/cc/page/LKPM-online. Search your proposed name. If available, note the reference number. Then write to LKPM at lkpm@menkumham.go.id with subject line, Permohonan Persetujuan Nama Perusahaan, name approval request. Attach founder ID scan and reference number. LKPM approval comes first, takes 3 to 5 days, costs 200,000 rupiah. Ministry filing second, takes 7 to 10 days, costs 6 million rupiah total. Skip these steps and hire TheBaliLawyer to do Jakarta registration in 14 days. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit TheBaliLawyer at TheBaliLawyer.com for done-for-you Jakarta company setup. Visit TheBaliLawyer.com.